I've been itching for a ride since the late fall when I put the bikes in the garage and winterized them. And now it's February and kind of cold, and I'm riding around the foothills north of Boise. You'll see there's still some snow on the sides of the road, but gosh, I'm not gonna miss this opportunity. So welcome to Will Stories, everybody. Let's go for a spin. This is an area called Hidden Springs. I'm shocked by all the construction up here. Some brand new subdivisions, lots of new homes. There is a rush of people escaping to Idaho. One of the reasons I'm excited to be out riding my motorcycle today is I have a brand new toy. Around Christmas time, I was poking around a camera gear website and saw some great deals, so I pulled out my credit card and decided to buy myself a gift. So this is the new camera. Let's take a look. This drone's a fun little toy. I've always enjoyed hobbies, toys, and playing my entire life, and I hope I never lose that enthusiasm. I do think it's time that I put the drone away though, preserve some batteries, and let's head on down the road and see what else we can find. My confidence level with the drone sucks. I'm not very good at flying that thing yet. But out here, I'm not going to damage any property or hurt anybody. Let's get the chopper in the sky. I normally try to avoid city traffic, but that was a fun little trip around downtown Boise. Looks a lot like spring, but my fingertips tell a different story. All right, next stop, Lucky Peak Reservoir. I want to fly the drone again. Let's hit it. Granted, there's still a lot of snow up here at Lucky Peak Reservoir on the hillside surrounding the lake, but I'll tell you, it's not as cold as it looks. I had a wonderful day of riding in February, mid-50s. You got to take advantage of these days. Anyway, until next time, everybody, for Wheel Stories, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Happy trails.